Hey everyone, welcome back to Elegancepreneur channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and in-demand opportunity, how to start your own shipping business in 2025. With the rise of e-commerce and global trade, the logistics industry is booming, and there's never been a better time to get started. Whether you're looking to run a local delivery service or a full-scale logistics company, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. First things first, research and planning are the foundation of any successful business. Start by understanding the shipping industry in your area. What services are in demand? Is it local deliveries, freight shipping, or international logistics? Also, research your competition. What are they offering and how can you differentiate yourself? Once you've done your homework, create a solid business plan. This should include your target market, pricing strategy, and financial projections. Trust me, a well-thought-out plan will save you a ton of headaches down the road. Step 2. Legal requirements. Every business needs to be legit, and a shipping business is no exception. Here's what you need to do. Register your business. Choose a business name, register it, and decide on a legal structure: LLC, corporation, or sole proprietorship. Licensing. Depending on your location, you may need specific licenses or permits to operate a shipping business. Check your local regulations to see what's required. Insurance. Get liability insurance and vehicle insurance to protect your business and assets. Pro tip: consult with a lawyer or business advisor to make sure you're covering all your bases. Step 3. Invest in equipment and technology. The right tools are essential for running a successful shipping business. Here's what you'll likely need: vehicles, delivery vans, trucks, or even bikes for local deliveries. Warehouse space. If you're handling large volumes, you'll need a place to store and manage inventory. Shipping software. Invest in logistics software to track shipments, manage routes, and handle customer orders. Packaging supplies. Boxes, tape, labels, and other essentials for packing items securely. Don't forget to budget for these expenses in your startup costs. Step 4. Hire and train your team. Your employees are the face of your business, so hiring the right people is crucial. Look for individuals with experience in logistics, driving, or customer service. Once you've hired your team, invest in their training. Make sure they're familiar with your shipping software, safety protocols, and customer service standards. The better trained your team is, the more efficient and reliable your business will be. Step 5. Market your business. Now that you're all set up, it's time to attract clients. Start by building a professional website and creating social media profiles. Showcase your services, client testimonials, and your team's expertise. Networking is also huge in this industry. Reach out to local businesses, e-commerce stores, and manufacturers. Offer discounts or free consultations to get your foot in the door. And don't forget online advertising. Google Ads and Facebook ads can be great ways to reach your target audience. Step 6. Scale and expand. Once your business is up and running, focus on delivering exceptional service to your clients. Happy customers will refer you to others, and word of mouth is one of the best marketing tools out there. As you grow, consider expanding your services. Maybe add international shipping, warehousing, or even same-day delivery. The sky's the limit. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your own shipping business in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more business tips and strategies. Got questions or want to share your own shipping business journey? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Visual upbeat music, channel logo, and subscribe button animation.